Hi, I'm Kayla from Creative Minds. Today we're looking at the Ask the Expert plugin from Creative Minds. The plugin lets you ask a question and get an answer to your question from a verified expert. The system supports multiple experts on different categories with many options for customization. The plugin lets experts answer user questions, lets users ask private questions, allows experts to pick the questions they can answer, and supports multiple topics and unlimited experts. Let's take a look at how the plugin works. The plugin has 3 dashboards. Let's first look at the dashboard for the admin. The admin can see all the questions in the systems and can see which question is assigned to which expert. They can also see questions that are waiting for experts and questions in the public area. In the public area means all users can answer the question, not just experts. The admin can also see the stats for answered and unanswered questions, and they can see what each expert has answered. The admin can also define which experts can access questions in each category. So admins can be assigned to certain categories, and then approved experts in that category can answer the user questions. The next dashboard is for the users, and the user dashboard has 3 parts. So first, he can see all the questions that he's posted. He can edit his profile, so upload a name and an image. He can ask a question, and when he asks the question, the user should choose a category and then decide if the question is for the public or for an expert to answer. And if it's for the expert to answer, only experts verified in that specific category that the user has chosen will be able to answer the question. And now the third dashboard is for the experts, and this dashboard has 2 parts. So first for the profile, where the expert can add a name, picture, all the information that they'd like to include about themselves and their expertise, and contact information. The expert sees all the questions which are sent to the category that the expert is listed on. So here's a question that the expert has accepted, and it's in a category that he is able to accept and answer questions in. The first expert to accept a question is the only one who can answer, but he can also reassign after accepting to a different expert in the category. Experts can also help manage the questions. They're able to change the category of a question so that a more relevant expert is able to answer. They can remove themselves from the question, which will let another expert claim it. And can accept the question so that he can answer. When answering a question, the expert can add files and images to his answer. And once he finishes and posts the answer, it will be sent to the user. So the plugin is a sophisticated system for questions sent to experts, and for the experts and admin to manage these questions. So that's how you can use the Ask the Expert plugin to allow users to ask questions and allow experts to answer them. To download the plugin today, visit www.cminds.com.